So you touched on the one holding that you have other than the S&P. So are there any others? You said that you had 2 or 3 individual stocks sometimes.
Yeah, well, at the moment I have 2. So the other one is Tesla, actually. Sometimes there are companies in the S&P 500 index that have underperformed it for a while, where I feel like it's already part of it. They're proven. I love the company. I love the perspective. I know it's not going to zero. I just want to have a little bit more exposure to it. Now, okay, I could buy more S&P, or I could buy the NASDAQ, have a little bit more tech exposure. I feel like, okay, why not just concentrate more? And if I look at the whole index, I feel like Tesla is the only one that really sticks out to me in terms of underperformance over the past. Actually, I was looking at it this week, past 4 years almost. It's like at least last 3 years, since 21, it hasn't done almost anything. And that's not a sole reason to say, oh, okay, like in general, it's more of a recipe for disaster. If a stock hasn't performed well over the past 2 to 3 years, I would generally stay away from that. But I love the story, I love the story of like, oh yeah, we're heading into a recession. No one's going to buy cars. They've sold so many cars. They have so much stuff against them. No one wants to own EVs. Like, as a contrarian, I love that. I love that story. I feel like just bring it on,